A very good morning. As a part of grammar, and it is important for us to learn what the things and how the things are happening, what the person do the work, and who is the doer, who is the object. So these are the things that we learn. So in English grammar, we have tenses, we have verb forms, we have parts of speech. At the same time, we have voice. What does it mean? Voice. So voice is something. It talks about some actions done by somebody. Okay, voice is something. It shows the actions of somebody. An active voice. So you have this is divided to both active and passive. Active voice, something like, yeah, I eat a mango. I eat a mango. So that means here the subject is I. I eat a mango. I consume myself. Okay. But if somebody wants to say, or if the object and the subject, for example, so here the subject is doer, the action I eat. So that action is done by I. Who is the victim here? The object mangoes. Fine. So how the effects on the objective? If you want to say a mango is eaten by me. A mango is eaten by me. If you want to say in object focused words, so a mango is eaten by me. So here we have to understand that the meaning doesn't change. The meaning of the sentence doesn't change. See, I eat a mango. That means I ate it. Okay, that's finished. I have completed my job. A mango is eaten by me. A mango is eaten by me. That means you are saying that, yeah, even the same, the mango is eaten by me. Only the order of words and the verbs used are different here. So active voice and passive voice, these are the real. So they also go with the tenses. All the tenses we have already studied, practiced tenses. So if you want to give change, transform the actions of somebody, we can change them into passive. Sometimes we don't really care about the doer. The work is done, it is denoted. For example, I eat a mango. A mango is eaten by me. A mango is eaten by a mango is eaten by somebody. You need not be, the subject is there. A mango is eaten. A mango is eaten. So it has already completed. Somebody has eaten. You need not to worry about the mango. It's a common thing. All people eat. So we may not specify the person here. Fine. So whatever it is, active voice and passive voice, these are the useful things that we convey the actions, active verbs. Fine. So transitive verbs, we use the word transitive verbs. That means verbs can be changed. The words which can be changed only transitive verbs. Like for example, if I say I am going to Karimnagar. Karimnagar is gone by me. Can we say that? No. So this kind of statements won't come under passive voice. We can't go with all I am going to Karimnagar. Karimnagar is gone by me. No. So such kind of things cannot be transformed. This thing they need to remember. Active voice and passive voice. So voice is need to be practiced, and thing is here we have to remember voice. So this is what we need to practice here. So we have active voice, Okay, next, passive voice. In active voice, the work is highlighted, but in passive voice, subject and everyone, the action is highlighted, but in passive voice, something is done. It doesn't raise, it only conveys a message. Fine. For example, I just give you I ate a mango. A mango is eaten by me. So here we have to observe there is the meaning doesn't change. I eat a mango. Fine. Here the object, it comes to the subject place. A mango is eaten by me. Fine. So in active voice, see, I eat a mango. So a mango is eaten by me. So how the passive voice changes, modifies. So the object comes to the subject place. Okay. The present tense. I eat a mango is a simple present tense sentence. So it changes. So the a mango is, it goes to simple present, becomes present continuous, and the verb here eat becomes V3. So we have to remember three things. Tense doesn't change. A tense doesn't change. Okay. Present will be in the present tense only. Verb changes to V3. Verb changes to V3. And we add by. So V3 and by are the common things in passive voice. By seeing the V3 and by, we can identify that the sentence is in passive voice. Fine. So this is the structure we need to remember. Passive voice. Fine. So I eat a mango is eaten by me. Does the meaning change? No. The meaning has not changed. And the tense. So in our tenses, we have discussed all 12 tenses, but some exceptions are given to 2 tenses, that too from the future perfect continuous. Okay. Past perfect continuous will not be treated in active voice for voice session. Okay. So 10 tenses, only 10 tenses can be practiced under this voice section. Fine. We go with the textbook explanation, then we move on to the some more examples. So I give with one example with simple present tense. Okay, here I ate a mango. Changes to a mango was eaten by me. A mango was eaten by me. So tense doesn't change. It is in the past, it is also in the past. And always active voice verb changes to the whatever the verb it is there. Present tense, past participle, future, whatever the verb is here, it will be changed to V3 and by will be added. Okay, fine. The most famous and familiar, Rama killed Ravana. This is what we start with. Rama killed Ravana. Active voice. Rama killed Ravana. That's it. Ravana was the victim. So Ravana was killed by Rama. So with this fine example, we can understand Rama killed Ravana. Rama is the actor, that means the person who acted killing. So Ravana was the victim. Okay, and here also it doesn't change. Ravana was killed by Rama. Okay, in the both the sentence Ravana was only killed. Rama killed Ravana, that is active voice. Ravana was killed by Rama is passive voice. So like this we need to practice. Let us go with textbook explanation. So let me read it for you. In English language, the transitive verbs can be used in active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject is the doer of the action, and in passive voice, the subject is the receiver or the affected agent of the action. Passive voice is preferred when the doer of the action is not important or known. Rama was killed. Rama killed Ravana. Ravana was killed. That's it. We need not to worry whether it is Rama or somebody else. Ravana was killed. He was killed. That's it. Died. The verb in passive voice is formed with corresponding be form and past participle with of the main verb. The verb in passive voice is formed with corresponding be form. That means is, are, was, were. You can see the list here also. I show you the list of be forms. Can be have been, has been, okay, will have been, and continuous takes being. Fine. I show you here the list of verbs. Yeah. So in additional information, see, a passive verb should contain some form of be and V3 past participle from form a verb. Fine. So let us see the additional information. A passive verb should contain some form of be and V3 past participle form of a verb. Fine. Be forms used in passive voice: am, is, or, have been, has been, am being, is being, are being, was, were, had been, was being, were being, will be, can be, may be. Fine. Active and passive structures. You just concentrate here. So active, he does it. Okay, it is done. Yes, he does it, it is done. So by him is optional. If you are particular about the doer, we can mention, otherwise it is okay. Fine. So we can note that when we do not know who does something, the doer of the action, there is no need to use by and an object in passive structure. Similarly, by and object are not required when the object is evident. Fine. So here it is done. It is done by somebody. It is done by him. It's okay. We need not to tell about this. So here activity 2. Work with your partner. Notice that an appropriate form of be is missing in the signboards. For example, milk sold here. Milk sold here. We see, yes, road closed for repairs. Road closed for repairs. Parking prohibited. There is no milk is sold here. There is no helping verb. Okay. Visitors not allowed after 5 p.m. Credit cards accepted. Credit cards accepted. Fine. So let us see with additional information how and the textbook examples from here. Simple present tense. He sells vegetables. Vegetables are sold by him. He sells vegetables. Vegetables are sold by him. He is selling vegetables. Vegetables are being sold by him. He has sold vegetables. Vegetables have sold by him. Vegetables have been sold by him. He sold vegetables. Vegetables were sold by him. He was selling vegetables. Vegetables were being sold by him. He had sold vegetables. Vegetables had been sold by him. He will sell vegetables. Vegetables will be sold by him. He will have sold vegetables. Vegetables will have been sold by him. So the subject here, the doya changes to him. I becomes me, he becomes him, she becomes her, we become us. That we need to remember. Note, there are 12 tenses in the English language, but only the above 8 tenses are used in passive. The other 4 tenses like present, past, future perfect continuous and future continuous tense are not used in passive voice. Present, past, fine. He will have sold, he is selling is there, he was selling is there. So present continuous, past continuous is there. Present or past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous and future continuous. So all these 4 tenses are exempted from changing to passive voice. They cannot be changed. Okay. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous and future continuous. Okay. But present perfect, past perfect, future perfect can be used. So we have to remember this table and all of you have to practice well. Fine, we go with some examples now, then we move on to the textbook examples. So here we have taken, I ate a mango was eaten by me, Rama killed Ravana was killed by Rama. He practices kabaddi. Kabaddi is practiced by him. Kabaddi is practiced by him. So that is simple present tense. He is practicing kabaddi. He is practicing kabaddi. Kabaddi is being practiced by him. Okay, kabaddi is being practiced by him. He practiced kabaddi. Kabaddi past tense. Kabaddi was practiced by him. He was practicing kabaddi. Kabaddi was being practiced by him. Next, he will practice kabaddi. Kabaddi will be practiced, will be practiced by him. Fine. So whether, yeah, whatever the verb, it changes to only will. Next, kabaddi. He has practiced. He has practiced. He has practiced kabaddi. Kabaddi has been practiced by him. Okay. He had practiced. He had practiced. He had practiced kabaddi. He had practiced. He had practiced kabaddi. He had practiced kabaddi. Kabaddi had been practiced by him. Fine. We got all the tenses, the 8 tenses. Simple present, simple past, simple future. Present continuous, past continuous, 5 sentences, 5 tenses. Present perfect, future perfect, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Yeah, future perfect is missing. Let us see. He will have practice. He will have practiced kabaddi. Kabaddi will have been practiced by him. Fine. So like this, we have completed all 8 tenses. So even the textbook contains the same examples with vegetables. So here we have seen vegetables. Vegetables are in plural. So that is the reason it has changed to have here. In the previous example, kabaddi is a singular. So that is the reason same thing had been continued. For example, he has sold vegetables. Vegetables have been sold by him, because vegetables is a plural. That is the reason it has taken have here. Okay. But here being third person singular, it has gone through he has. Fine. So that we need to remember. So these are the same rules that we have for tenses when we are learning tenses. The subject, first person, third person singular. Okay. Second person. Those rules are being carried. Only we have to remember that when the sentence is changed to passive voice, verb 3 is used constantly for every verb, whether it is V3, V1, V2, V4, it will be changed to V3 only, and object will be like he becomes him, she becomes her, we become us, they become them. Okay. So that change is one more thing that we need, and the object comes to the subject place. And see, vegetables are sold. We need not to mention by him. So we need not to think about the doer here. If you want, you can then whenever we mention the doer, then only we use by. Vegetables are being sold. Vegetables have been sold. Vegetables were sold. Vegetables were being sold. Vegetables had been sold. Vegetables will be sold. Vegetables will have been sold. So these simple 8 tenses need to be practiced. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future and future perfect. So we have to use only 8 tenses for active and passive voice. Now let us go with an example from the textbook here. It's very easy assignment. Fill in the blanks with suitable passive verb forms to complete the story. Here you can observe a man, you can see a man, monkeys, a box is there, and the box contains caps. So we can imagine that he is a cap seller. So let us see how the things are. In the first picture, the cap seller was laying down. Yes, the monkeys came down to take the caps. They opened the box and have taken all the caps. Here the person was trying to get the caps back, and at last he collected them and went away from there. So let me read it for you. Once a cap seller on his way kept his box and slept under a tree. The box dashed by monkeys. Once a cap seller on his way kept his box and slept under a tree. So now we have to identify the tense. Whenever we want to change a sentence to a passive voice, first we have to identify the tense, whether it is simple past, present, perfect, whatever it is. Fine. So what is the sentence here? Once a cap seller on his way kept his box and slept under a tree. So this is about past tense. Fine. Slept, kept, all these are the V2 forms. So we can identify that it is simple past tense. The box dash by monkeys. So simple past. The box was opened by monkeys. Okay. The caps, see the plural, the caps were taken away by them. The box was opened by the monkeys. The caps were taken by them. By them. Who are here? Monkeys. Fine. They climbed the tree. The cap seller noticed the monkeys. He suddenly got an idea. He threw his cap down. The same action was imitated by the monkeys. The same action was imitated by the monkeys. The caps in their hands, plural, were thrown down by them. All the caps were collected by the cap seller and he left the place. Simple past tense. Was opened, were taken, caps were taken. Were means here caps is a plural form. The caps in their hands were thrown. The action was imitated. All the caps, plural again. So were collected by, all the caps were collected by the cap seller and he left the place. So here write the procedure you have followed while conducting an experiment in your physics or chemistry laboratory. Use passive voice wherever possible. An experiment was done by group of students in chemistry lab. An experiment was done by group of students in chemistry lab. Chemicals were used to do the experiment. Chemicals were used to do the experiment. A graph was made by them. A result graph was made by them. See how we are getting sentences here. Fine. Physics. Jars were used. Conical flask was used. an experiment stand was used. So in the process of the procedure, in the procedure and the process, things have been used, but we are not talking about the doyer here. Who used? The students, the lecturer, or some people. Okay, a beaker was used. Experiment was completed. Experiment was completed successfully. The result was successful. Fine, so like how we see. So here we are not talking about the doer, only we talk about the results of the object. Fine. So in this way we have to practice active voice and passive voice. Let us go with some more examples. So this is a bit of story like this, like it's not a story, some work with your partner, read the newspaper clipping, pick out the sentences with passive verb forms, write them in the space provided and underline the verb forms. The first one has been done for you. Fine. Hussain Saga made a plastic free zone. Planning to spend a summer evening in the parks around Necklace Road and Tank Bund. Then avoid talking plastic bags along. From Saturday, visitors to parks that come under the Buddha Purnima project authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. If carrying any, they will have to submit them at a counter near the park's entrance and will be given a jute bag instead to carry inside. Will be given. Okay. In a bid to reduce plastic pollution around the Hussain Sagar Lake, the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority has come up with many measures to make the area a plastic free zone. Apart from the no plastic rule in parks, plastic teacups and plates used by outlets and vendors at Necklace Road would be banned from Saturday. This was communicated to vendors over the last few days. The HMDA has tied up with NGOs to help enforce the plastic ban and has formed special force teams to see its implementation. Plastic ban and has formed special force. BP Acharya, Commissioner HMDA, said that 300 licensed vendors in this area had been asked to use paper bags procured from Begum Bazaar. He said that if they are found flouting the rule, their license would be cancelled. The area that have been declared as plastic free zones are NTR Gardens, Lumbini Park, Eat Street, Jalvihar, Sanjeevaya Park, Secretariat Road, IMAX and all the vendors around the lake area. People taking plastic water bottles inside the parks will be asked to pay a token amount in the entrance, which will be returned to them when they leave along with their plastic bottle. Separate plastic bins will be kept in the plastic free areas. Fine. Separate plastic bins will be kept in the plastic areas. From Saturday, visitors to parks that come under the Buddha Purnima project authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. We got a sentence: separate plastic bins will be kept. Plastic bins will be kept in the plastic free areas. Big reduce plastic pollution and measures to be taken. Not be allowed to carry any plastic. If you carry come and counter near the park's entrance and will be given a jute bag. Will be given a jute bag. So these are will be given a jute bag. Plastic bins will be kept. So future tense, future tense that we need to observe the passive voice sentences. Fine. Active voice, passive voice. We have to remember this structure, additional information. So active, he does it. It is done. He does it. It is done. It is done by him. It is done by her. It is done by somebody, but need not to be. And we have some expressions like close the door. Here we don't find no subject, no object, but only we have a statement like close the door. So this can be used as like changed as let the door be closed. Let the door be closed. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Let your eyes be open. Let your eyes be open. Okay. Open the door. Let the door be open. Let the door be open. So such kind of examples could be practiced. Close the door. Close the door. Let the be opened. So we have the same formula. It takes passive voice takes V3. Here we don't have by or anything. So let the door be open. It is just like a statement. We are not referring anybody here specifically. No object, no subject. So let the door be opened. Close your eyes. Let your eyes be closed. Let your eyes open. Let your eyes be closed. Eyes closed. No? So like this we have to concentrate on active voice and passive voice. In the next session we go with the continuation part for active voice and passive voice, and we do it with more examples. So do sit with your partner or friend and discuss and involve in practice, and do remember of all the 8 tenses and practice. So whenever it is necessary, when you construct a paragraph, we studied about paragraph writing. So it conveys when you want to say somebody's actions, so you can mention them in passive voice. Okay. My mother cooks biryani. Biryani is cooked by my mother. My mother is cooking biryani. Biryani is being cooked by my mother. My mother cooked biryani. Biryani was cooked by my mother. My mother will cook biryani. Biryani will be cooked by my mother. My mother has cooked biryani. Biryani has been cooked by my mother. Okay. My mother will cook biryani. Biryani will be cooked by my mother. So take a verb, take verbs, choose verbs and try to change them. So here I give an exercise or an assignment for your practice zone. So I just show you one example and all of you work on this sentence. Work on this sentence. For example, I just give you a single sentence. serve buttermilk. So we serve buttermilk is served by us. We serve buttermilk. Buttermilk is served by us. So we changes us. So you have to work on this and do change into act passive voice for all uh, 8 tenses. Fine. So practice well, do well. Thank you all, and have a good day. Bye.